they take a client with a problem and they go through the design thinking process with them and they advise them based on that. And they present them with prototypes and services and products instead of a 100-page slide deck.
Innovation is one of our core values that we have determined many years ago and that we are implementing every day. The whole concept is quite interesting also. All this drive that exists now in Lebanon, of course driven initially with the 331 from the central bank, has created this wave of innovation and of ideas and of people trying something new.
The trip to Bank Audi helped us identify the problem rather than solve it.
We wanted to know every detail of the Spring account, to know what the Spring account doesn't provide in order to provide it in our solution.
Visiting the Nova branches helped us really know about how to integrate technology with banking services.
It helped us analyze the problem, seeing in real time how the service was and how much time it took to actually create an account.
We asked the teller several questions that we had in mind, and he enlightened us on many issues in the bank they had.
Design thinking is a very complex process.
That shows us that the most important part of problem solving is actually the problem, not the solution.
At first, we came and we thought design thinking was mainly about a theoretical point.
I used to think design thinking was just like in a closed room. We would just write and draw things and post, but actually it's very practical. Like we go out to the users and we see what they feel and we take their feedback.
Well, this way of thinking led us to choose the solution, the right solution that would suit the bank.
I've learned that a lot of people deal with problem solving in a very wrong method.
I learned how to brainstorm and work in a team.
To other teams? No chance to other teams.
May the best team win.
I hope that they are learning as much as I am.
I would wish them good luck, and I would hope they lose, of course.
Our main problem was to summarize all our insights into one coherent solution.
We wasted a lot of time without focusing on defining the problem.
We're used to jumping to conclusions before finding the real problem.
How to identify a specific niche and a problem to the huge banking world, and how to innovate it in a fun and attractive way.
To find the right solution, knowing that all banks in Lebanon are targeting these problems and trying to find innovative solutions.
In first place, we have Innovias. Mabruk. Yes.